So last year has been tough on a lot of us. But in my personal view, my laziness and lack of exercise has a lot more to do with my choices, like choices in motor vehicles, with the key word being motor. But now that things are getting much better with vaccinations and everything, it's time to prepare for the summer. And in doing so, the other day I was able to catch a quick glimpse in the mirror of my legs in their current state. I got to do something about this. So 2 days ago, I took the delivery of our new pedal bike, but not just any old pedal bike. This sucker folds up, and that's gonna make it incredibly convenient taking the bike anywhere I want to. So I ordered it from eBay, and the box they sent me was a little tore up, as you can see. But anytime you take a bike out of the mail, just take yourself some pictures so you can document anything that's possibly wrong with it. But once I finally got it out the box, I really saw the damage to the bike, which isn't to the point I'm going to send it back or anything, but I gotta tell you, I was a little bit disappointed with the tears in the stickers, the quality of the pedals, and a couple scratches here and there. But if you ever got any type of bike through the mail, you know the process is rarely that forgiving. So we'll go ahead and take our lumps and keep on moving. And we already know I'm going to modify this bike to the point where I'm going to want to ride it. But today we're going to cover the assembly of this bike, and then once assembled, I'm going to give my overall impressions of what I think and if it was worth $200. So let's get started. All in all, guys, I'm pretty pleased. It's a pretty good looking bike, if I do say so myself. Now, I'm not gonna give her a test ride just yet because the plastic pedals on this bad boy are the absolute worst. I feel I'd be endangering my life to be able to stand up on those pedals. Not literally, but I'm just not gonna chance it. I have some new pedals and some new grips coming from Amazon on Friday, so we'll go ahead and install those. So the things I am liking about the bike, I'm going to keep a little list and release that later. There are a couple things that I do not like about the bike besides the pedals. These stickers have to do better than this. But I do like the color scheme and the little extra writing on the tire. But again, I'll save all that for a little bit later. Now let's see if it can do what I bought it to do. And that's fold up. Yeah, I knew that was gonna happen. I'm sure over the course of time I'll get a little bit better at the process. Folks, there's the new bike. It won't be the last transport of the summer, but I'm sure I'm gonna enjoy this thing. So I'll see you guys shortly. I want everybody to have a great night. Peace, y'all.